Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password on Asus TUF Gaming AX4200 Wi-Fi router. I will do it from smartphone and from computer to show you both options. So if you manage your router on a smartphone, of course you have Asus Router application. So open this app, wait for loading. That's it, and now swipe left to see your network name. Now tap in the center of this circle, and here you can change your network name over here and your password just by tapping over here. Also, you can disable dual band smart connect. It means you will separate 2.4 and 5 gigahertz network, but I don't see any reasons to do this. I prefer dual band smart connect. All devices will connect to a proper network automatically at the highest possible speed. So let's just change the password for our unified dual band network. Let's remove all password, enter a new one, done, then tap on apply and confirm your action. After this, all your devices will be disconnected from the Wi-Fi network because the password is new and you need to connect each device once again. So what you need is open your Wi-Fi settings, find your Asus network, tap on I icon next to it, and on Android devices you have an option just to change the password. On iOS devices, just forget this network, and find it once again, tap on that and connect using your new password. Join and you're all set. To do the same on a computer, you need to access the router's web interface, so make sure you're connected to your router. Then open any web browser and in the search bar type the router's IP address. By default for Asus router it looks like this. Then hit enter on your keyboard and log in as administrator. You created these credentials on the router's setup, so you should know your password. Sign in as administrator. And here it is on the general tab on the network map section. You can see your network name and password, and you can change it from here. And to forget network on a computer, on Windows PC, you need to click on Start menu and start typing Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi settings and manage known networks. So once you change your password, just forget the network and reconnect again. Well, that's pretty it. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below as always, and be awesome. Bye guys.